Hi, um, today I'm going to unbox the freebies and some giveaway prizes from Instagram for this week. Let's start with Macy's. So I got 4 perfumes from Macy's. I got Bad Boy, Carolina Herrera, Prada Ocean Luna Rosa, Ralph's Club, Ralph Lauren, and Dolce & Gabbana. Thank you, Macy's. Next, we'll open this one. This is from Fussy Love. It's a ceramide hydrating cream. This cream I won from 0.8 liter. I need to try. Ceramide hydrating cream. It comes with this little scoop. Thank you, 0.8 L USA. Next is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil. It's a serum for hair, for recharge serum for weak, damaged, and thin hair. Thank you, Cream of Nature. Next is diapers from Rascal and Friends. These are premium diapers, size 4 for my little boy. It comes with 2 pieces of diapers. Next is from Lacomshire. I won this from giveaway on Instagram, and it comes with 6 pieces gel polish. Thank you, Lacomshire. Next, from Pinch Me, I got a Bluetooth tracker and a sample of ROC Multi-Correction Daily Serum with Vitamin C and ROC Retinol Correction Daily Serum Advanced Retinol. Thank you, Pinch Me. Next is from Infagrow. They gave me 4 sample packs or sachets of Infagrow Premium for Toddler nutritional drink. Thank you, Infagrow. Next is from Thayer's Natural Remedies. So they sent me a sample of facial toner from Thayer's Natural Remedies. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, Thayer's or Thayer's. Thank you, anyways, thank you. Next one, this is from Soap Post. They gave me a sample of L'Oreal Revitalift with hyaluronic acid. Thank you, L'Oreal. And this is from Estee Lauder. They sent me the samples of new Double Wear Sheer Long Wear Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 19. with 8 shades. Thank you, Estee Lauder. Next is from Yanba. And ta-da! They sent me samples of Yanba Oleo concentrated oil youth restore. I'm sorry, concentrated oil youth restore and youth renewal concentrate. Thank you, Yanba. Next, I got another one from Macy's. This is my favorite. And I got another 4 sample perfumes from Phantom Paco Rabanne, Idol from Lancome Paris, Calvin Klein Defy, and from Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. Thank you. Next is from Home Tester Club. Home Tester Club is a platform that lets you try products in exchange of honest reviews. And this time they sent me a leg and body warm wax from Paris. That's nice. Thank you, Home Tester Club and Paris. It comes with Ultra Soot Oil, a lot of wax strips, popsicle sticks, and the wax. It says Humbes and Corpse Sire. Oh, I read it in a different language. So this is Parisa Legs and Body Warm Wax. Thank you. Next is from Buzz Agent. They sent me this educational insights early learning bright basics nest and stock cubes for my little boy. It helps builds early math skills, promotes cognitive development, and develops fine motor skills. Thank you, Buzz Agent. Next is from Dharma E. I won this from their giveaway. Oops. So they sent me 2 of their products, Dharma E Nourish and Glow Skin Illuminator. Yeah, 2 is the same. Thank you very much, Dharma E. They are 100% vegan, soy-free, recyclable, GMO-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Nice. And last but not the least is my favorite. This, I won this from their giveaway prize on Instagram and from Shop My Heart's Desire. And they sent me this blackhead vacuum set. Oops. Super cute and nice. I really need this. It comes with 4 different sections, a cord, and this is a charging for you to charge, and also filters. Thank you so much. Shop my heart desire. So that's it for now. Until my next unboxing video of those freebies. Bye.